Everybody, Mrs. K, and today I want to show you how to make this awesome sea serpent. I had so much fun making it, and I'll show you, he can move around. You can do anything you want with him. He's pretty cool, and I love that he's two different colors. And here he is, and he's just a lot of fun. So in your kits, you have 1-inch strips of paper from 2 different colors. The one we're going to make today is going to be blue and red sea serpent, but there's all different colors that you can use, and they're just 1-inch strips. So even if you don't have a kit, you can make it yourself. I just used 1 piece of paper, cut them up into, so there must be 16 strips. So you'd be all set. So you have so you're going to have 2 different colors, and it's very easy to start and to finish. So let me get to work. You're going to need some glue, maybe some tape, probably not, and some sort of marker to draw your face with. So let's see what we have. Let's get started. You're going to start with your stack of different colors. Like I said, I'm using blue and red today. You're just going to glue the red strip to the blue strip. All right, pretty easy start. Then you're going to fold the blue strip like that and the red strip like that, and the blue strip and the red. And you can just do this anywhere you want. Try to even him up so that he stays nice. And we're getting close to the end here. So now you're going to put glue here. You're going to take the next blue and stick it right there on top. And then you're going to do the same thing with the red. If you want, you can glue it before you fold it over. That's up to you. Each one is going to be different, how it ends, and then you're just going to continue the fold. Now, I am not going to make you sit here and watch me do this for all of this. So that's how we started it, right? So I have one that's almost done. You can see how thick it's going to get. I just have 2 more strips to put on here. So we're going to fold the red over the blue. As we get to the end here, I'll put some glue on it. You're going to fold the red over the blue, over the red, put our last strip of blue on here. And you're going to finish it up just like you think you're going to finish it up. You're going to glue the last red one down and glue the last blue one down. All right, so now you have the body. See? Now, in your packet, you also have these. Now you can decide whatever color you want to make the head. You can make a tail, whatever you want to do. I am going to make, I think, a blue head. And I like to fold it over. You can trace a head out, or you could just free form it if you like. Let me see. I think I'm going to free form it just a little. Oh, this head is very big. Let's see. Almost like a butterfly. I'm not sure I really like that as a head. Let me make it a little bit smaller and a little less like a butterfly. Even it up. All right, and then I'm going to take a marker and I'm going to make some eyes. And a nose. And what do you think? Think he needs a tongue? So I think I'll just cut some red. Make like a forked tongue out of that. With a little glue. Stick it right there. He's a goofy looking sea serpent for sure. Just put some glue on one of these. And there's his head. And then if you wanted, you can give him a tail, or you can just let this be his body. I don't know. I think a long, maybe a long blue tail. Maybe make some scales or something on it. Put a little glue and glue it. Maybe bend it so it looks more like a tail. And there you have your sea serpent. So it'll take you a little bit longer because folding all those pieces of paper take a while, but now you see how it's done and you weren't bored to tears watching and listening to me. Okay, so you have a great time making your sea serpent, and again, you can make them on your own. It's just 2 different colored pieces of paper, 1 inch cut into 1 inch strips, and then you can make it yourself. Okay, you have a great time making your sea serpents, and I'll see you again. Bye-bye.